So as we're getting Rocky relaxed, I'm just having my hands wide like a starfish. Breathe and relax is number one. Get comfortable is number two. And then have your hands wide like a starfish. So I'm not digging into him with my fingers, and we don't do deep tissue on dogs, or I don't recommend it. So I have my hands wide like a starfish, and I'm just mobilizing his skin of his head, the back of his head, and going down his neck. When you're mobilizing the skin, you're moving the fascia. And the fascia covers every muscle, bone, nerve, and organ in the body. So by mobilizing the fascia, you're actually having an impact on your dog's whole body. And you cannot hurt your dog by doing this. You want to observe your dog and blend with their body. Oh, and there he had a nice little yawn. So even though he's a little anxious and he's watching his dad, because that's his job, he still couldn't help but yawn, because in mobilizing his skin in this area and his fascia, it's releasing endorphins that are, because it's really all about the dog. You don't have to know what the anatomy parts are called, which muscle that is. So Rocky is still getting used to what's going on here, but he's relaxed enough that he's willing to entertain that I have a little tiny treat in my fingers, and I'm just letting him lick my fingers so he can kind of become preoccupied with the treat and with the licking, and so that we're not going through a dozen treats. Good boy. And like I said, you know, this is a good example. Rocky's a great example for real life. So your dogs, if you haven't been doing this with them, they're gonna want to be a little busy, and you just have to be patient with them and just take what you get, and don't have a particular agenda. So a really good sign Rocky is engaging with the small treat, which initially he was worried, so he didn't have any interest in all in the snacks. Humans are the only species that eat when they're worried. Oh, what a good boy. This is a good sign. What's important for you to know is that your dog is relaxing and that you are helping them. Oh, that's a really big yawn. So as we said, even though he's a little nervous and worried and still doesn't know what this is all about, he really can't fight the chemistry and the neurochemistry of endorphins being released and things feeling good. Something that's really important to remember when you're working on your dog is, in the beginning, you're going to want to do it in small, bite-sized pieces of time, so that it's something you're doing for them, not to them. And so this was a really great session for Rocky, because he went from like never being here and having no idea of why I'm handling him. In closing, Rocky is laying down and he's more relaxed. And then I'm just going to go over the 3 things that we want to remember. Make sure you're comfortable. Make sure you're breathing, and making sure your hands are wide like a starfish. And enjoy your dog. Okay, you did great.